Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. If you also trade on other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and the current market price is 1.1106. This is the current market price of Euro USD. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then I clearly mentioned that the overall setup of Euro USD is very much towards the downside, both technically and fundamentally. Technically, okay, I don't need to say anything. You can clearly see that this market is in downtrend, strong downtrend. If I take you to the higher time frames also, like the daily time frame, you can see that there has been a very strong downtrend for the last couple of days, and we all know the reason very well. The reason is the war between Russia and Ukraine, and the war is still going on. And after the fresh sanctions by the USA and Europe on the Russia, okay, there has been a considerable pressure on the European currency, okay, euro. So as a result, we are seeing very much pressure on the Euro USD. Okay. So fundamentally, also Euro USD is in Euro USD is struggling to recover. Okay. And technically, we can all see what is going on the chart. Yesterday, I clearly mentioned that if market goes down, okay, or falls below the 1.1100, there can be a good selling pressure. Okay, honestly speaking, I also took a sell position, but when I saw that price was being rejected, okay, then I exited around 1.1070 level. Okay, but after that, I saw that there was a considerable recovery also. Okay, and to be honest, I was a little bit surprised when I saw the recovery. I exited because my theory is simple. Because I have seen many crises in the world, and whenever there is a crisis in the world, the best way to make money from the market is to quick entry and quick exit. Okay, so following my previous experiences on the crisis, okay, I have been entering quickly and exiting quickly. But when I saw Euro USD recovering like this, okay, I got the confirmation that yes, this level is seriously very strong for the market. So in this market condition also, Euro USD is trying to hold the level. Okay, but undoubtedly there has been a considerable selling pressure in the market as well. If I take you to the chart of DXY, see, nowadays I am not talking much about the chart of DXY because we are not seeing the correlation like before. And yes, the situation is also not normal. Okay, so when things will be back to normal, yes, I'll start talking about DXY again, my favorite DXY. Okay. See, yesterday when market was going up sharply, and then when we saw a sharp fall on the market also, we did not see the same reaction on the chart of Euro USD. So let's keep aside the chart of DXY now, and let's concentrate on Euro USD. So if you have a sell position, yes, listen to me carefully. If you have a sell position on the chart of Euro USD, then continue with the sell position, because considering the fundamental factors, we still do not have any solution for the Russia and Ukraine war, and there can be fresh selling. Okay, there can be fresh selling. If I take you to the weekly chart also, you can see that last week there was a sharp recovery. This week market tried to recover, but market failed. And just look at the candle here. Okay, so as a result, I think that there can be a good selling in the Euro USD as well, considering all the factors. Okay, so if you have a sell position on Euro USD, I'll say that continue with the sell position as long as you do not see any proper trend reversal. And on the other hand, if you have a buy position on Euro USD, if you have a ongoing buy position on Euro, let's say here or here, then please exit from your buy position below this level. Below means 1.10, below 1.1050 level, please exit from your buy position, because if market breaks this level, heavy sell may come out to the market, so that can be very bad for your capital. So please do not make the mistake. Please exit in case the trade goes against you. Okay, and if you have a sell position, well and good. But for the day trading, okay, I will not recommend any level for the day, because to be honest, because see, if I just ask you a question here, okay, let me remove everything here. Let me remove the drawings, let me remove the indicators. Okay, so if I just ask you, okay, to observe this particular portion of the chart, and if I just simply ask you, do you think that this chart deserves your hard-earned money, what will be your answer? Obviously your answer will be no, isn't it? Because see, this may be the most popular currency pair in the world, but if the chart is not supporting your hard-earned money, then why you should trade? Honestly speaking, I am also not taking any position for the day, because I am also not getting a clear picture. Yesterday, when market tried to go up, okay, when market tried to go up, if market would have gone up from here, then okay, then it would have been a confirmation that yes, market is trying to recover and we may see some recovery in the market. But there was a sharp fall again, and we saw a spinning top kind of a pattern, huge spinning top kind of a pattern, which signifies indecision in the market. So as a trader, if you know when to trade, you should also know when not to trade, and when not to trade is the most important aspect of your trading journey. So as long as market remains like this, please avoid euro USD, and in case market breaks it, go for a sell, continue with the sell. Okay, as of now I will not recommend any buy also, considering all the factors I have already discussed. Okay, so please be careful, please don't mind, say this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. Whatever you do, follow proper risk management. Okay, follow strict risk management. Bye bye, take care.